Now let's make some Nashville Hot Lobster. Now what I have here from Get Maine Lobster, I have what they call split tails. Now I've soaked some big green egg skewers in water because you know you're supposed to do that, right? They'll burn on the grill. And I put it right down the middle all the way to the tail. That's it. Pretty easy, huh? Now your lobster tails will come with these little swimmers here. I like to just take my shears and take those off. It just makes for easier and faster eating, really. So you'll end up with something like this. Now once you get them all on the skewers, you're gonna season them up really well with your Nashville hot seasoning from Big Green Egg. Now this has got a good kick to it, and you shouldn't need any salt or pepper or anything else. Just give it a good coat and set them aside. Now let's grill them up. Now this is how I Super Bowl with Nashville Hot Lobster tails on the Big Green Egg.